If your garbage disposal is not draining correctly and making noise like this, it means your motor is jammed up. You unjam it from the bottom. If it's not making any noise, push this button to reset it. If it is making noise, it's jammed and you will need an Allen wrench to fix it. Make sure the disposal is off and put the wrench in the center hole. Rotate it back and forth, then test it out. I like to run water in it to help flush out whatever was jamming it up and to see if it still backs up. Looks like it's all good in the hood, baby. Peace.